Friends, today, we're taking you inside a modern tamarind factory to reveal the full process, from pod to paste. Section 1. Arrival of raw tamarind pods. The journey begins with raw tamarind pods, harvested when fully mature to ensure rich flavor and natural acidity. Upon arrival, each batch is logged, weighed, and visually inspected before entering production. Section 2. Cleaning and preparation. Raw tamarind pods often carry dust and field debris. To remove impurities, they pass through automated cleaning systems. Only clean, intact pods move forward, maintaining hygiene and product quality. Section 3. Shell removal and defibering. Next, the brittle outer shells are removed. Modern machines separate the sticky pulp from shells and stringy fibers. This step reveals the dense, flavorful tamarind pulp hidden inside. Section 4. Seed separation. Tamarind pulp naturally contains hard seeds. Advanced separation equipment removes them efficiently without damaging the pulp. What remains is pure tamarind flesh, ready for processing. Section 5. Pulp soaking and softening. To achieve a smooth texture, the pulp is soaked in controlled conditions. This softens the fibers and allows natural flavors to release fully. Temperature and timing are carefully monitored throughout this stage. Section 6. Pulping and extraction. The softened pulp is mechanically processed to extract maximum flavor. Specialized pulpers separate remaining fibers while maintaining thickness. The result is a rich, tangy tamarind slurry. Section 7. Filtration and refining. The slurry is filtered to remove any remaining particles, producing a smoother, more refined texture. This step ensures consistency across every batch. Section 8. Concentration. Process. To create concentrated tamarind paste, excess water is gently removed using controlled heat and vacuum evaporation. This process intensifies flavor while preserving natural acidity and color. Section 9. Quality control and testing. Each batch undergoes strict quality testing, checking flavor strength, acidity levels, texture, and food safety. Only approved batches proceed to packaging. Section 10. Packaging and storage. The finished tamarind paste is filled into hygienic containers, sealed to lock in freshness. Products are labeled, packed, and stored under controlled conditions, ready for global distribution. Note: if you enjoyed this process, like the video, subscribe for more factory tours, and thanks for watching.
Wraps up our tour of the tamarind factory. Enjoyed the tour? Subscribe for more factory tours.